can't do it. And guys, something also important, I have some insane ideas that I'm cooking up for YouTube videos, alright? Quite different. They are very different to what you see on normal motor vloggers, you know what I mean? Alright, it's going to be different, it's going to be unique. Ain't going to be boring, that's for sure. Oh, what have we got left? 34 minutes. You know, it might take longer because I'm riding with 50. Right, but I'll be moving though. I'll be like so comfortable with this shit, man. Like, look at it. Woo! This bike is so easy to ride, man. You ask anyone, this bike is just so simple and perfect. Honestly, the only issue I've had so far with this bike is that it's a fucking pain in the ass to find neutral. I'm not too sure if that's on all liter bikes, but on this one especially, I cannot find neutral to save my life, bro. It is so hard, I don't know why. But overall, like, this bike is super easy to ride, you know what I mean? Like, it's such a perfect bike. It's fast, it's smooth, it's got the tech. Oh, BMW, bro. It knows what it's doing, that's for sure. Oh, tunnel time. You know, tunnels and Acropovich exhaust, man. Check this out. Oh, hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah. Oh, sounds so good. Echoes, just echoes through the whole damn thing, man. Holy shit. Oh, I'm gonna be deaf by the age of like 30 for sure. Fuck you, asshole. Bro, fuck these speed cameras, all the revenue raising and shit, man. Yesterday, when I fishtailed my bike, bro, apparently I left a fucking skid mark on the ground. That's like how hard, like, oh fuck, I hit neutral. Oh shit. Yeah, that's how hard, like, I was fucking holding my brakes, guys, like, panicking. I was full panicking, man. But it is what it is. We're live. We're live, bro. Alright, 25 minutes left. Ah, I don't even know what this event is. All I know is apparently there's a wheelie machine. And I think it's the one on a trailer. I'm not too sure if it's the stationary one or not. Because I have seen the stationary one they have, and it's pretty cool. 50 always misses the fucking lights. You know what? While I'm here, make this time useful and do some push-ups. I can do more, but I'm scared those lights are gonna go. Why do you take so long, 50? You crazy ass bitch, bro. You crazy ass bitch, bro. Holy shit, fucking jigsaw as well. Holy fuck. Oh, holy shit, almost a car accident. Bro, this close. Bro, this guy literally just went the wrong way. I can't deal with this man anymore, bro. Bro, dude, guys, I indicated for a solid 10 seconds to turn left, and you know what he did? He kept on going straight. Oh my god, man. This idiot, bro. Poor Laura is sick of it, man. What the fuck, bro? I wonder how long that made his trip extend for, bro. Wait, there's no way. Fucking hell, that was actually a shortcut? What? I know how long these lights take as well. They take ages. That's alright. He's slow. I'll catch up, bro. That's actually karma, guys. That is karma well served on a fucking platter. Ah! Yeah, look, another rider passed. Two of them, actually. That's the same helmet I got, I think. Fuck's sake. Fuck. Yeah, thank you. Well, I'm making new friends, guys. Howdy. Oh, same helmet. Nice. Not really, but same pattern, I'll take that. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Probably I'll see you guys at the car meet or something. More bikes. Damn, maybe this turnout actually might be fucking decent. Sorry guys, coming through. You know what? He probably will be me. I'm a shit rider, guys. Yeah, laters. Fuck, there's actually a lot of bikes here. Holy fuck! What is this event? Can I go in? What's the go with this? Holy shit! There's actually a lot of bikes here. Oh my god. This is fucking heaps, bro. Where the fuck is Josh? Why is he in a Spider-Man suit? What? What is going on? What the frick? Where did you park 50? That's the wheelie machine. I don't know where to go, guys. I'm sorry. This is confusing. I'm so fucking confused here, bro. Look how many people here. This is the most amount of people I've seen in Brisbane in total. This is fucking V4. God damn, bro. 6R. Damn. Alright, where are you, 50? Where are you, mate? What's the bet he's not even here, bro? Can I go in? What's the go? Oh, I just saw him. I saw him for a fucking split second. Huh?
Where did you go?
Bro, I was telling everyone that you went the wrong way and you full beat me. What? Am I not allowed to be here? Huh? I can't hear you. Huh?
You drove past like 3 times.
Bro, I didn't know where everyone was. I was trying to look for him and then I saw how many bikes there were.
This is in a parking lot and this is show and shine. Your bike's now in the show and shine. So
Oh shit. Oh shit. I don't want to park next to this slow thing, bro. Bro, I wait for you at 2 lights and you didn't wait for me there, man. I hate you, bro. Oh, you want a still shot or you want a motion shot?
Quick one. That's all.
Hey, it's up to you, man. Alright, bet. This guy's doing a quick photo.
yeah.
Hell yeah. Oh, bro, this is crazy.
Coming behind me, bro.
No, but I was trying to catch it. Bro, a CBR 650i just beat me in a race. Off the lights, man. I was just like, what the hell? Fuck, this is a lot of bikes, bro. Did you see back? Did you go down there? Bro, it's nuts down there. Holy, do you know what that is, man? I actually like that. I like the wrap on that. Holy shit, what is that? R7, bro. Yeah, it's R7. That is a work of art. This is a work of art right here. Oh my days, bro. I don't even know what that's called, but it looks good. 959. Nice. And my beautiful Beamer. Do you like the look of that?
Is that a different tail or is that?
That? I don't know, bro. What do you? Oh, you don't know if you like it?
I think I like it.
I don't know if I like the bike, to be honest, bro.
Is it yours?
Yeah. I'm just playing with you, bro. This is crazy.
Is it the boost?
Yeah, I know. Oh, I low-key want. That's a Batmobile right there, man. That's a fucking Batmobile.
Where is everyone else?
Bro, everyone is on that end. Like that end over there. Big dog!
Sorry.
How are we, bro? How are you, man? You've been through a lot of shit. Been through an accident, and now you fucking no flat tire. Everyone is straight Tom. Everyone. Tom's loving it. I'm not sorry. You're not. Did he ask for you to take photos? Holy shit! Mate, cool. Come on, glad. How much storage do you have? Is it going? Wait, how many photos did you take?
Look at that. 2021 Ninja 400. 94 horsepower, brother.
I should have worn my Batman outfit. There's Spider-Man right there. That over triple R. That's fine. It literally sounds like an MT-07, bro. Fucking a casual H2 just sitting there as well. I'm gonna go have a peek at that. This should be like the center of attention right here, guys. Dream bike one day, man. Don't bring his arm on. Holy shit. Josh is going on stage. Alright, give us a show, would ya? Give us a show. Yeah, at the end where you belong. At the end, bro.
Okay, close, close. And now the R1 on the end here.
So I don't know if you guys can hear me, but at the moment they're doing like a slow drag race thing. We might, I don't know, depending if this gets interesting or not, we might head after this, but this is what it looks like for all of you guys who don't know what slow drag racing is. It's pretty much go as slow as possible, and the person who's the slowest wins the race. Yeah, where they are, and then they go to there. Why the fuck is it zooming in? Zooming in! Fuck. But yeah, at the moment we got a R1M inside the dyno room. This is the same dyno I took my motorbike to as well, One Addiction. There's currently an R1M in there, but I'm not too sure what kind of R1M. Fuck, that sounds mental. That is not a good look. Holy shit. The poor guy that put his fucking R1 in there. Holy bro, he would have been shitting himself. Crazy, bro. That is actually crazy. From factory as well, bro. That's like factory. Alright, I think they're gonna do one more. Bike to push 190 is nuts. I had to, my bike's 199. That's after the dyno too. So this thing definitely has a lot more fucking potential. Yeah, man. That's fucked. Not too many horses. It's only 190 horses. Needs more. Fucking burnt right through the fucking cable, bro. So I would have thought the R1M in there would have pushed more than 200. And I thought that was just a normal, completely like dyno run. Apparently that's like after the tune as well, because he already got a tune from there. So somehow my bike is pushing more horsepower, and I don't think that's right. I think it's an R1M, and mine's a base model S1000, bro. Check out this little wheelie simulation they got. I can't even say anything because I can't even do a wheelie. Fuck. Oh. It is cold tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Now that is an R1. Hell yeah. want to race this thing so bad. Oh, I think it's the 2020, the new facelift. I so prefer that one over the ones before the facelift. Oh, the winglets as well. Fucking GoPro, bro. Batteries are so shit on this thing. Yeah, we're here at DBD now, just with the rest of the guys. I'll give you guys a little walk around if I don't get hit by a car. Oh, bro, I wish you guys heard this thing. I'm so fucking pissed that the GoPro died. This thing is fucking nuts, bro. I really want one now, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, that is such a nice fucking R1. Fuck 50s, bro. 50s is shit and ugly. Alright, well, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes this video. I hope you all have a fucking great day, and I'll see you in the next as always. He did not make the lights. Bro, I'm gonna kill this guy, man. I wanna fucking anal this guy, bro. Is that actually gunshots? What the fuck is that? Were they gunshots? Gun! Were they? Ah. But from here it sounded like gunshots. It's a dirt bike, bro.